In this video, how to batch export multiple projects in Camtasia. Batch exporting multiple projects in Camtasia can be a huge time saver, especially if you have several projects that need to be rendered at once. In Camtasia, you can access batch production from some menus. In the Batch Production wizard, click the Add button to browse to the folder where your projects are stored and select all projects you want to include. Choose a preset that fits your needs or any custom preset you have set up. Specify the output folder where all the exported videos will be saved. Once all settings are configured, click Start Export button. Camtasia will start exporting all selected projects one by one according to the preset and output settings you chose. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.